Music was always something that is between me and the world, between my ears and my heart. When I heard music, it was always clear to me what it's saying and therefore obvious how to play it. Since the age of 11, when I acquired my first keyboard, I always played any melody I heard, without needing to read it off some notation. To my surprise, I've discovered that many of the world's musicians only play what's written for them and have no clue how to play something without written instruction. I found that puzzling and consider it a catastrophe. To me, that's like knowing how to read English but not understanding English when it's spoken. Drawing from my experience, I've taught people to develop the skills to know and recognize music so clearly that when they hear it, they should know where to find it on the piano. Just like you could spell this sentence I'm pronouncing, you could play a song I'm singing without needing it to be written for you in advance. This course is aimed for my advanced students, or for musicians who have had musical training but never learned to know music so deeply and clearly as to be able to play by ear. Knowing how to play songs by ear changes the life of a person who is active with music, for it develops not only your ability to play and reproduce what you hear, but it also completely changes the depth in what you're hearing.